Hi everybody, this is Amish Agarwal, advocate practicing law in Delhi. I have on another occasion talked about how to, I've talked about the fact that as young lawyers and law students, everyone should make tremendous use of the virtual courts going on right now and observe the matters going on so that you can have a better understanding of how to argue your own matters when the occasions arise. But a couple of people said that we don't know how to access these virtual courts. I did mention, but I thought I might as well do a little practical way on how to access, give you a little for your ease, show you how to do this. So you search for the Delhi High Court, you go to the website, you click on cause list, you go to PDF cause list. Now you've got all the cause lists for the Delhi High Court over here. These are supplementary, don't go for the supplementary. Click next. Today is the 16th. This is the cause list for the sitting benches of 16/8/2021. Here, a couple of these judges will not be holding court, and now you've got the court, the cause list, and I think a few courts, at least in the middle, this was what happening in sometime in the middle of 2020, because many people were joining in these virtual courts. They were not giving out the links, and the court master would send the link. But majority of the judges nowadays, now if you want to go to the courtroom of this particular judge, you just click on this particular link which is there. This will open up the WebEx, Cisco WebEx platform. Now I do not see the virtual link for the Chief Justice's court, but if you go below, yes, another division bench, you see the link right here. You click on this, it will take you to the Cisco WebEx platform, where you can also, of course, with the caveat, you absolutely must keep your video off, keep your audio muted. Do not be the idiot in the Juhi Chawla case, against whom contempt notice was issued, and the police were directed to dig out the details of the person. Now another division bench, you cannot see the VC link. For these matters where the VC link is not there, you have to specifically call up the court master or request the court master, and usually you have the names, the numbers, the email addresses of all the counsels. These counsels, for the petitioners as well as the respondents, they are automatically sent a link to join the virtual courts by the judge. It is the prerogative of the judge whether they want to put the link out in public for all of you to see or not. Now, if I click on this, again another division bench, and in the entire way you've got the entire cause list running into a couple of 100 pages, and you can search for the judge's name if you want to, using Control F, and you can this is incredible. I remember on days that I had no work, I would travel all the way to the Delhi High Court and then watch these proceedings. Supreme Court, however, unfortunately, it is not available. Delhi District Court's a very similar thing. I myself have for the longest time not gone on the Delhi District Court website. It's my associates who dig out the links for these courts, but I believe all the links are available at ecourts.gov.in, if I'm not wrong. But again, very similar exercise that you have to undertake.